Well, hello there, girls and boys, and dads and moms, and welcome to PJs and Pillows. Tonight's book is about me. How to Babysit a Grandpa. It was written by Jean Reagan, and the pictures are by Lee Wildish. Let's begin. Babysitting a grandpa is fun if you know what to do. When your grandpa rings the doorbell, what should you do? Hide! You might wiggle and want to giggle, but don't yell, "Grandpa!" Not yet. Shh. How to stay quiet. Pretend you're a shark waiting for lunch. Act like a pirate spy. Be as still as a lion statue. As soon as your grandpa says, "I give up," pop out and shout, "Here I am!" When your mom and dad leave, pat your grandpa's hand and say, "Don't worry, they always come back." Then right away, ask him if he's hungry. Here's a list of snacks for Grandpa. Ice cream topped with cookies, olives served on fingertips, anything dipped in ketchup, cookies topped with ice cream. After snacks, it's time to take your grandpa for a walk. When it's cold, bundle up. When it's sunny, sunscreen up, especially the top of his head. Remember to grab his hand when you cross the street and remind him to look both ways. What to do on a walk with your grandpa. Step over sidewalk cracks. Look for lizards, cool rocks, and dandelion puffs. If there's a puddle or a sprinkler, show him what to do. When you're back at home, have him shut his eyes while you get ready, and then here's a list of things on how to entertain a grandpa. Somersault across the room, put on a scary play, show off your muscles. You may want to have some extra tricks. Grandpas always clap for more. Pretty soon he'll want to join the fun, so play with your grandpa too. How to play with a grandpa. March with your drum, give him a kazoo. Build a pirate cave. Make sure you can both fit. Watch out for sharks in the water. Don't let your feet touch the floor. When your grandpa says nap time, it's time for his nap. The best way to put him to sleep is to have him read a long book over and over and over and even if you're sleepy, too, babysitters have to stay awake. While he naps, draw a picture for his fridge. What to draw for Grandpa? A pirate shark battle? Your favorite dinosaur? You and your grandpa splashing in a puddle. Then wake up your grandpa. You might want to try lifting him with your muscles, tickling his nose and his toes, singing on top of old Smokey softly, then louder and louder. Now ask, will Mom and Dad be home soon? Your grandpa will look at the clock and say, "Yikes! Soon, very soon." Good babysitters can't leave messes, so turn on some bouncy music and get to work. When you hear your mom and dad, grab your grandpa's hand and pull him behind the couch. Show him how to be quiet. Check how to stay quiet. And whisper, "See, Grandpa, they always come back." Now comes the hardest part, goodbye time. How to say goodbye to a grandpa. Surprise him with the picture. Give him a hug and a kiss, a hug and a kiss, a hug and a kiss. And ask, "When can I babysit you again?" And here's a picture of Grandpa and his grandchild hugging. And that is the end of the story on how to babysit a grandpa. So brush your teeth, give hugs to the people that you love, and have sweet dreams. Good night.